Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Just touching on a very sad topic. Sad news coming in earlier today. The Jamaican football fraternity is in mourning. I actually woke up to this. It was the very first thing I saw when I woke up, that former national footballer Tremaine Stewart has unfortunately passed. Right? Very, very, very sad, man. Very sad to hear. I mean, condolences to his family and friends. Condolences to the Augustown Portmore United, Dunby Holding FC, Waterhouse, and all the clubs that he played for locally and overseas as well. So condolences to all of those clubs, and condolences to his immediate family members and immediate friends. Very, very sad and very sudden story. Very sad and very sudden story. I mean, this just came out of the blue. Right? It just came out of the blue. I mean, I was very shocked when I woke up this morning and I saw it, or earlier today when I woke up and saw it. I was very, very shocked, man, because it just came out of nowhere. Really came out of nowhere. And of course, you guys know that Tremaine is currently playing with Dunby Holding FC, even though obviously he hasn't played for a while because the league is on pause. But to be honest with you, I don't know what is the cause of his death. They just said he was playing football. It is being reported by official outlets that he was playing football in Spanish Town, you know, in the early hours of the morning. And he collapsed and was rushed to the Spanish Town hospital where he was receiving treatment, and he eventually succumbed to, he passed, unfortunately. So it's very sad, very sad. Um, Tremaine played overseas as well, played for Alsons, and he played for another club in Finland. I don't remember the name of that club right now off the top of my head, but I definitely remember, you know, him being at Alsons. There were like two or three other Jamaicans at Alsons at the time. I remember Demar Phillips was another Jamaican there, and Morrison, I don't remember his first name right now off the top of my head. Right, a holding midfielder as well. And if I'm not mistaken, it was either three or four Jamaicans at Alsons at the time. Um, three I remember for sure right now off the top of my head. And if memory serves me right, all three of them were starters for Alsons as well in the Norwegian first division. Right, all three of them were starting. He had most of his overseas career was played in Scandinavia. So, and I remember he had a big season with Olsons in Scandinavia. I mean, obviously he had a couple of big seasons out here as well. That's how he would have gotten moves away to Olsons and the club in Finland. But I remember he had one particular season. If memory serves me right, it was the 2012 season for Olsons, where he did very well. Scored a couple of goals in the Norwegian League, and also scored a couple of goals in the UEFA Europa qualification. Scored what, 3 goals in the UEFA Europa qualification, and scored 6 goals and 5 assists in the Norwegian League. Right, that particular year was definitely the highlight of his career, especially his overseas career. Also played 12 times for the country, scored 2 goals. So very, very unfortunate, man. Young man, 33 years old. Very young man, and just out of nowhere. I remember even the other day I was watching an interview with him on TV. Just out of nowhere. He has unfortunately passed. So again, massive condolences to his family and friends, man. Honestly, I mean, I never knew the guy, never met him, but I've always heard good things about him. Seemed like a really cool and humble guy. Just in watching interviews with him and stuff like that. Really, really seemed cool and down to earth. And, a number of people always, I've never heard anybody speak ill of him. The people always spoke very highly of him. So very unfortunate, man. Very unfortunate that this happened and that this was the first thing I had to wake up to, man. Very, very sad. Even though I don't know the guy, man, I genuinely feel it. So again, condolences, and again, man, when things like this happen, I just remember that life is very fickle, and it can be short, and nothing in life is certain, man. Nothing in life is certain. So we just have to bear that in mind. So we really and truly just have to live our life and try to live it in a manner that is pleasing, and try to live a good life. Try and get what you need to, or what you want to do in life. Try and get it out of the way. Just try and live your life to the best of your ability and try and achieve everything that you want to achieve, and just strive for everything you want to strive for in life, and just enjoy life as well. Enjoy life as well, because it really and truly can be very short, and you really and truly never know, man. You really and truly never know. This just came out of the blue. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care, stay safe, and just stay safe, man, and take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. And sad news again. And again, man, condolences to all who knew him. So guys, until next time.